Are you getting no service error on your iPhone 12 series phones? Many users are complaining that they are getting no service error on their iPhone 12. This problem can happen due to both software or even hardware malfunction, like the problem with the antenna. In this video, we will show you some ways you can follow to fix software malfunctions to fix no service error on the iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max. Let's check it out. First, eject then reinsert the SIM card in the phone. You can check if the SIM card is working or not by putting it into another device. You can make sure this problem is not happening due to any issue with your carrier. If it is caused by them, you have to wait for the network provider to solve it. Also restart the phone, it often fixes the problem. If they don't, check out the next ways. Buggy software could cause problem with network. You can make sure your iPhone is running in the latest iOS possible, as Apple always keep fixing remaining bugs with every new update. Go to settings, tap General, tap Software Update. Now check if there is any update or not. If there is an update, download and install it. You can refresh the network by turning on the airplane mode. It can fix the problem. Swipe down the control center, tap on the airplane icon to turn on the airplane mode. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Open setting, toggle off airplane mode. You can do a network settings reset on your iPhone. Go to settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode, tap Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will take auto restart, but keep in mind, it will reset all the network related information including cellular APN, and you have to re-enter them again. It should fix the issue. If nothing else fixes the no signal problem, some of your customized settings could cause the issue, so you can do a all settings reset. It will only change the customized settings and you won't lose any of your data and contents. Launch Settings app, go to General, scroll down and tap Reset All Settings, enter your passcode, tap Reset All Settings, again tap Reset All Settings. Your iPhone will take auto restart and it will go back to its factory default settings. So guys, these are the ways you can fix no signal problem on iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max. If that does not fix the issue, it can be a hardware problem, so you need to take it to Apple Service Center. If you have any question about the topic, let us know in the comment box, and always stay with our channel for tips and tricks for Apple devices. Thank you for watching.